everyone, so today we are making our favorite street food here in Gangtok. This is Alu Chura. If you're using a masala chura, a ready-made masala chura, then you can skip to 58 seconds. Or if you're doing everything from scratch like me, then keep on watching. So I'm first of all dry roasting 1 cup of peanuts, and make sure to roast it till you hear that crackling sound and till it turns a bit brown. I'm taking about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, heating it up nicely, and then adding in my chura, which is flattened rice. You can use any variety, you can use poha as well, and continuously stir it till it turns nice and brown and crispy, and then go ahead and add a little bit of salt. Now for potatoes, I'm taking pre-boiled potatoes, and as you can see, I have cut them in different sizes to mimic the bhaiya's Alu Chura style. And then I'm taking about a cup of it separately and nicely mashing it up. For the sauce, I'm taking 3 large tomatoes, choose the very red ones. And then I'm taking about 8 to 10 garlic cloves and nicely blending it to a fine consistency. Then I'm going to go ahead and heat some oil in the pan and add in some kala jeera or black cumin, and finally add in the tomato sauce. And you want to cook this sauce until the raw smell of the tomato is gone. And after that, you want to add half teaspoon of haldi, which is turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Then I'm also going to add in the mashed potatoes and cook this paste for about 3 to 5 minutes. And finally, I'm going to go ahead and add in the rest of the potatoes, and make sure to add in lots and lots of water, because in Alu Chura, the jhol is the most important part. Well, at least for me, because I'm always asking the bhaiya to put more jhol than the aloo itself. Then you can go ahead and add salt according to your taste. And then once it comes to a good boil, I like to mash the potatoes roughly with my spatula. You don't want to mash all the potatoes, you want some chunky potatoes in there. Next, I'm taking a tablespoon of atta, mixing it well with water and adding it into the jhol. Boil it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and this is going to give my gravy that very smooth, creamy sort of a texture, which is exactly what we want. Now it's time to serve. So first of all, take your aloo gravy and top it off with chura and the peanut mix. And for toppings, I like chopped onions, some lime juice, some green chillies, and of course, how can I forget mimi? But if you don't have mimi where you live, you can also use YY. And finally, black salt powder is very important, but I didn't have that, so I used some chaat masala powder. So there you go, your super creamy potato gravy with a lot of crunchy, flavorful toppings is ready. So yeah, if you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time.